Welcome everybody. Dogecoin will make you a millionaire, or will it? What's up YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Ask, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecasts. And my name is Syed, and we are going to take a look at several new news and breaking news about Dogecoin. It's all about Doge. It's the Doge day for us. It's Thursday, Doge day. I'm super excited. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're just joining in, welcome, or my channel Invest Ask, which is your, of course, channel. We are going to be taking a look at how Dogecoin will make you a millionaire if you aren't already, right? So stay tuned. I'm going to see you right after a short intro. But before I do the intro, my intros are long. I'm getting some messages here. Syed, your intros are too long. I mean, come on. So why don't I just not do an intro today? That'd be a change, right? No. Of course, I have to do the intro because I'm going to set up my chat and we'll talk about how Dogecoin is going to make you a millionaire. Remember, we are doing our weekly forecast. We are doing, crunching our numbers every single week for Dogecoin, and we know exactly what percentage of profits we're making just on Dogecoin. Now, assuming that you're doing some trading here, right? You're buying and selling, but we're holding. At least I'm holding, but of course, I have to still run the numbers. I have to show you exactly how you can crunch the numbers, and we see the numbers and how you can make these numbers to your benefit, right? And that's the whole idea of this channel anyways, right? So it's for you guys' benefit. So welcome or welcome back. If you're just joining, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time. We had a wonderful rally this morning. I woke up at, I was just getting ready, getting some coffee, and all of a sudden, boom, there was a price breakout of Dogecoin, and that was a pleasant thing. But we were anticipating this because yesterday in our stream we talked about Dogecoin at the crossroads. Remember that stream? Dogecoin had a breakout, and we were talking about that price has been consolidating so far for the last 3 weeks, and it's pretty stable, and it could break out anytime. And guess what? So we were super excited. I was very happy, of course, around 0.58, 0.6, somewhere around there. Hopefully it's going to maintain its ceiling. So quick intro, then I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Dive into several new things. I'm going to show you PayPal, how they're moving with Dogecoin. I don't know if they're moving or not, but we're going to make them move, right? That's the idea. Coin flip news is coming up. Dogecoin is, I'm going to show you that. So lots of tangible information about Dogecoin, guys. Super exciting. So hang in there, hang tight, and I will see you shortly just after the intro. I'm going to make it short this time, all right? So yeah, be right back. Hang in there. All right, that was short, wasn't it? I promise. So hey, Dogecoin right here is the price. We're going to talk about, of course, a little bit more predictions I'm going to do. I'm going to show you some charts which are very helpful. Doge is about 11. It's at 0.05883 currently, and of course it was at 0.6 and went all the way up to 0.7, guys. So it's not too bad at all. So I was pretty happy. I don't know. Let me get my comments here and see how things are moving up with our comments. Hopefully you guys are. You were pretty happy too. Let me know when you found out about this actual price this morning. And I was a little late because I was just getting my coffee, and it was maybe an hour or so late, in fact, for breaking this news to you this morning. But of course, this is our regular time of streaming, and we are going to take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin and where it's going to head, where it's going to go, and how it's going to make you guys a millionaire. So welcome everybody. Let me get some comments here quick. Welcome, Skylark, Nebulungi, all these guys. Awesome, man. You guys we're all buddies now. Tom, thank you so much. Sonic, Firex, Donna, welcome. Good morning. So I had such an exciting time watching the spike last night. Yes, I couldn't sleep. It was insane the way Doge flew, nearly reached 10 cent Australian. Yes. And of course, in the US, it was about 7 cents. All right. Before I move forward, let me check some comments here quick. How many shares is a good hold? Well, that's Something that really depends on your own budget, Imad, right? That's what Imad is asking. So if your budget is whatever it is, we always buy at the dip. I try to stagger myself. For example, if I'm investing once or weekly or monthly, or depending on my yearly budgets, I put money in the portfolio or portfolios that I have, active trading portfolios, passive trading, risk averse, non-risk averse, risky, non-risky, all these kinds of things, right? I do some crazy stuff, guys. But this Invest Desk is the channel that I've created, and I've put a couple of portfolios on here, or one portfolio with multiple cryptos. One is, of course, Dogecoin. That's our primary. And the other one is SafeMoon so far. And we'll be adding more as we go along. But yes, it just really depends on your own budget. Rick, welcome. John, welcome. It hit 0.6. Actually, it passed 0.6 this morning, guys. So if you were watching, it was pretty high. John says, I woke up and scrambled to sell, finally sold at 6.7. Not bad, not bad. So hey, you made some good profit, hopefully. And I think it will dip to 5.4 again, and I will buy back in. So pump and dump, yeah, you can do it. Not a problem, not a problem at all. Certainly, it works. That's the idea, right? Why are we in this crypto game, guys, right? Yeah, I mean, it's okay. If you want to hold, fine. If you want to pump and dump, it's an opportunity. Why miss it? Again, it depends on your own strategy. All right, so Imad said, thank you. You're most welcome. Thank you for your support, guys. By the way, if you're just tuning in, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and the bell notification. I have some exciting stuff to tell you about Dogecoin, so that we can predict the next level of Dogecoin, right? And that's really what it boils down to, because it builds up based on tangible information, based on tangible data, news, because that's really what I base Dogecoin and all my cryptos, all of my investments on. Yes, influencers are good, like Elon Musk and other individuals. They do influence the price, and it looks like, it appears that Elon Musk's tweet yesterday, and I'm going to show you that shortly, may have influenced this to 0.058, but I think it's a little more than that. But we're going to explore, and ultimately, by the end of today's stream, of course, you will also understand better how you can become a millionaire using Dogecoin. And of course, just like John said in the comments, he is selling at 6.7 and buying at 5.4. Well, not bad. And we do our weekly portfolio, remember? So it's about 40-50% gains, 100% gains on a week or 2 weeks or 3 week basis. So yeah, I'll work that out as we move along. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it. And let's take a look at, of course, this is the price, and I want to show you, and I'm going to go one by one, one at a time, and then you will know exactly what we're talking about. First, very important, and I think this is a huge push for Dogecoin, even though it's not at this point yet. But PayPal launches checkout with crypto. All right, now to me, this is just absolutely huge news, by the way. Huge news, no doubt, in my mind. What this essentially means, that PayPal allowing their customers, their clients in the US to check out with Bitcoin and or Ethereum, right, or cryptocurrency. But the idea is really greater than this. The impact is far greater, which means that if PayPal is officially accepting cryptocurrency, Visa, I covered that stream yesterday, right? The largest credit card company in the world is also accepting cryptocurrency, USD coin, right, for Visa. And for PayPal is Bitcoin and Ethereum for now. You can pay. And I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you the CEO of PayPal actually buying some shoes and paying in Bitcoin. That's super duper. So where are we going with this, guys? You know where I'm going with this. Dogecoin is next. Dogecoin is people's crypto. It is the currency that you can buy and sell. While Bitcoin, remember the transaction settlement time for Bitcoin is 10 minutes. It's okay if you order something and it arrives 2 days from now. Sure, you can pay with Bitcoin. But what if you were standing in line at a checkout counter in a grocery store or at Starbucks trying to get your coffee. You won't be able to pay with Bitcoin, but it's going to take a long time. What's the answer? Dogecoin. So the adoption of Dogecoin is inevitable, in my humble opinion, as we move forward in quarter of this year. Now, this year is extremely bullish for all cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin, of course, is predicted to surpass $100,000. And do not forget Ethereum, guys. Remember Ethereum? I'm going to say it again, even though I'm talking about Dogecoin, but I did a video on Ethereum. Ethereum right now is 1,940 at last I checked. I don't know what it is right now, but definitely it's higher than that. So what is going on with Ethereum? And the reason why, because the largest credit card company, Visa, settled their transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. So Ethereum is the man. That's the deal, okay? All right, so let's go back to Dogecoin. I don't want to, go on a tangent here, but PayPal launches crypto. Check out with crypto. That's very, very significant because the acceptance of cryptocurrency in general. See, the first things first, guys. We need to understand that crypto is the future, right? It is being now accepted, or rather integrated, with our day-to-day systems. Now, this may be a huge change for lots and lots of people in the world, because we're not used to crypto. Well, we are, of course, because we deal with crypto perhaps, but a layman or individual, a person who is not in crypto, right, in this space, will have to think about, what is this new thing? What is this Bitcoin? So definitely, as time progresses, and time is in our favor. So if you want to be a millionaire with Dogecoin, not to worry, time is in your favor. So PayPal launches. Check out crypto. Awesome news. And this definitely leads to the point. It will lead to the point where you will see Dogecoin also being part of PayPal, part of other payment structures, other payment gateways all across the globe. So this is one thing that I kind of was found very, very interesting. And PayPal launches. Check out crypto. Just a quick video, just a 30-second video. I want to show you this so you can see. Awesome. No fees, it's going to automatically transact for you. So if you have Bitcoin or Ethereum, not a problem. It's just going to automatically do it for you and check out for you. So yeah, it's just crazy, isn't it, right? Now I can't wait to see Dogecoin as part of PayPal, and it's going to come, right? We are, people like myself, and I'm sure the whole community is behind letting PayPal know that, hey, we have Dogecoin, guys. We're telling PayPal. I write emails, right? Hey, there's no harm in reaching to them and say, hey, we have Dogecoin, guys. Why don't you accept it? It's the currency. It makes good. It's inflationary. It's this, that. All the design is awesome. So, hey, use it. So hopefully they'll use it at some point in time moving forward. But this is awesome. If you know this news already, great. If not, but this is something that you need to know. All right, let me check some comments here, then we'll move to the next set of news, because this is super, super exciting. All right, welcome, guys. Odenga, welcome, buddy. Thanks so much for joining. Shivam, thanks for tuning in. All right, Elon Musk is the founder of PayPal. Yes. Good point. Great point. Absolutely. You remember back in 1999. Yeah, I was around. Awesome. I was doing lots of things back in 1999. Yeah, really. Yeah, definitely. So this is, and by the way, Linux was announced. Red Hat Linux was in 1999, I believe, right? Because I bought some shares of Red Hat Linux. It was, I think, a penny or two. I don't know. It was just way back then. But hey, anyways. But yes, Elon Musk is the founder of PayPal. So definitely he has a lot of influence on, or could have a lot of influence still on PayPal, right? Anyways, of course he has friends, right? He's the billionaire, he's friends in the industry and so on. So he knows what he's doing. He's already bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. And here's why, right? Here's why, guys. This is the result. You see it after a month or 2 months, right? Where you see the actual adoption of Bitcoin in PayPal, right? And that's how it's going to progress. And with Elon Musk's tweet yesterday, here's the tweet. I want to show you this if you do not know already. Elon Musk says SpaceX is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. This came just this morning, by the way, this morning, right before the price hike. All right, so this was 6:25 a.m. April 1st. Yep, he did it. And most likely that made the price jump, right? But the price still is trying to be at 0.58, and hopefully I'd like to see the floor at 6 cents, but you never know. We'll see how it works, but definitely it's gradually growing up. And once we do our weekly analysis guide, you will know exactly that the price of Dogecoin is definitely going to continue to rise and move forward, one way or the other. Right, that's what's going to happen. So I have no doubt in my mind that that is actually going to continue to happen as time progresses, slowly but surely. So this is the tweet by Elon Musk that he is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. I don't know, but that's what he tweeted. So he's still thinking about Dogecoin, right? And we're just waiting for Dogecoin to be on Coinbase, because I covered that I think a couple of days ago or yesterday even, about Dogecoin developers still working on the Rosetta API, so Dogecoin can be listed on Coinbase. And I can bet you, well, I don't want to bet, right? It's pretty obvious that Elon Musk may end up buying Dogecoin also and using Dogecoin. But this is one of the reasons this morning that probably caused the price to go up. All right. So this is the second aspect. First was the PayPal, right? And then, of course, I'm going to show you some other important news so that you would know exactly where Dogecoin is heading, right? And by the way, I am at invest_desk, right? So there's an _desk at invest_desk if you want to check me out on Twitter. But I have another one that I want to show you quick here. This is by Blackport and Morgan Stanley, by the way. They are adding Bitcoin to their portfolios for their customers. Now, these are institutional investors, guys. They don't buy in thousands, right? They buy in millions, billions. So they're adding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos to their portfolios for their customers. But the question is, why are they adding Bitcoin now when Bitcoin is almost touching 60,000? Where were these giants? Where were Morgan Stanley, for example, right? Or Charles Schwab or other large institutional investors? Where were they, 5 years ago when Bitcoin was only $4,000? Why are they adding now, right? That's super question. And this was being asked. I'm going to show you the clip too, by the way, and you'll see the answer. Why are they adding now? It's because there's demand from the clients, demand from people, And by the way, I bought Bitcoin yesterday. I don't know, believe it or not. I don't know if it's a good move or not, but I bought some Bitcoin yesterday. All right. I think it was at 58,000. I don't know. Don't ask me. Do not ask me. But I just bought it. All right. This was an impulsive thing. I do that. All right. I make mistakes, guys. All right. I make mistakes. I do some impulsive buying. All right. Anyways, so going back to Dogecoin will make you a millionaire, because if Morgan Stanley and Charles Schwab also add Dogecoin in due time, it's coming. They added Bitcoin already. They're in the process of adding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos to the portfolio. Dogecoin is right behind. Dogecoin is right behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, guys, right? So if they add Dogecoin to the portfolio and one of these large institutional investors picks up Dogecoin, guess what? We're going to the moon. Yes, we are. Let me check some comments. What do you think? Awesome. Yeah, we are definitely going to the moon. All right, welcome guys. Let me put some comments. Dahir, welcome. John, Lala, welcome. Nebulunch, welcome. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support for InvestAsk. This is your #1 channel. My goal is to give you tangible information so you can be more informed and make informed decisions for your own portfolios. All right, so we're talking about Morgan Stanley. This was one of them. I want to cover this. Blackport also tweeted about PayPal CEO Dan Schulman making his first ever checkout with Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's check it out.
We're going to buy crypto boots, I'm going to call them, and let's see how this looks. So I'm going to go to one of my favorite websites, Bronco Western Wear. I've now selected these, and I'm going to go look at medium. Oh, great. Okay, and that's my size, 9.5. Go to checkout right now. You can see I'm going to go to checkout. Okay. And I am going to click on PayPal. What else? And place my order. All right, here we are. You can see that I'm recognized on the device, which is super. So easy. All right, so here's my different card, my funding instruments. So here is my Bounce. Here's my MasterCard, my American Express, my Visa. And here is my Bitcoin Bounce. Let's see, I think I have Ethereum as well. So that's my Ethereum Bounce. So I'll go back to Bitcoin. And I am now going to use Bitcoin to pay for my purchase. So I'm going to sell Bitcoin to continue. And now instantaneously, it's selling my crypto and it's going to pay for this. Okay, boom. And there you go. That's as simple as that. So that's pretty cool. Like you can just use your crypto Bounce as a funding source like you would your PayPal Bounce or your credit card or your debit card. It's just another funding instrument, and it was that easy and that fast. That's really cool. And I've got the first pair ever of crypto purchase cowboy boots. Thanks, everybody.
This is awesome, isn't it, right? So, hey, we use Bitcoin, and of course, Dogecoin is next, guys. It's just a matter of time. And when I say matter of time, in my personal opinion, we're not talking about 10 years. We're not talking about 5 years, guys. It's just a matter of this year even. I foresee it this particular year. Dogecoin is going to be just everywhere by the end of maybe even second quarter, third quarter. But yeah, somewhere very, very soon, right? So hang in tight. Hold on to your Dogecoin, guys. I'm holding all the time, right? But this is also, of course, a great way to, and this is also making history, by the way. I keep saying this, right? This is history, and we are part of it, right? As we move forward into, into the future. So this is PayPal CEO. I just showed you Dan Schulman making his first checkout with Bitcoin. Now, next set of news. This is Goldman Sachs, right? We talked about Morgan Stanley as the institutional investor. This is now Goldman Sachs will begin offering Bitcoin and other digital assets to its private wealth management clients later this year. So this year, everything's happening this year. And even though they say this year, but they're already, in the process. These financial advisors of Goldman Sachs, they're just, putting their heads together and thinking about it, how to do it, how to structure it, and offer the best of the best to their clients. So that's not too bad at all. And so let me know what you think about these institutional investors getting into crypto. Okay, the reason why I'm showing you all of this, by the way, even though this does not directly relate to Dogecoin, but it indirectly definitely relates to Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is also one of the leading cryptos, one of the most popular cryptos, and more importantly, the design of Dogecoin is better suited for day-to-day transactions, for buying and selling everyday stuff. like your gas in your car, your groceries, your shoes, or whatever it is that you want to buy, coffee or whatever it is, right? That's Dogecoin. Airline tickets, and we see already the adoption of Dogecoin, by the way. It's in ATM machines already. Airline tickets you can purchase with Dogecoin. You can buy stuff with Dogecoin. Retail stores are accepting Dogecoin. So it's already there. It's nothing new, right? So it's just a matter of the tipping point for Dogecoin, in my opinion, is when it gets into the hands of these institutional investors like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Fidelity, and so on, right? All right, so this was another one. This is, by the way, just a minute and a half about talking about the power, but I'm going to play
breaking
this.
news coming from CNBC.com. Banking reporter Hugh Sun. Goldman Sachs is getting close to offering Bitcoin investment products to its wealthy clients. Hugh Sun joins us now. Does Goldman know Bitcoin was like $4,000 like 18 months ago, and now it's like 57,000? This is part of their expertise. Hugh?
Well, Joe, I think those dizzying charts that everybody is looking at and salivating over, that's one of the reasons why Goldman and others are getting into this. They are in a client business. So when clients of Goldman Sachs or clients of Morgan Stanley, call up their financial advisor and say, should I have an allocation to Bitcoin? Look at what it's done. Should I have a 1%, 2%, 3% allocation to this emerging asset class? They've had to say, well, as a firm, we can't really recommend that. Well, that changes, and that changes very, very soon. So as we report exclusively on CNBC.com, Goldman Sachs is very close, and in the second quarter will begin offering Bitcoin and other digital asset-related investments to its private wealth management clients. This is sort of the Tony private bank of Goldman Sachs. They really target people and endowments with at least 25 million in assets under management.
There you go. Another large institutional investor. They're going to offer cryptocurrency, guys, of course, right? So the idea is that, yes, Dogecoin and other cryptos as well, who are performing well, who are stable, they have potential, they will definitely be offered as a portfolio. Because remember, the important thing for these large institutional investors is they want to diversify risk for their clients, for any financial advisor. And those of you who do not know me, by the way, already, I have a degree in finance, I'm a PhD, but I'm not a financial advisor, guys, right? So whatever I do here on this channel is not any sort of financial advice, but I do it for myself and I just share my knowledge and expertise. But I know this over many, many years of experience that large institutional investors, and I have portfolios with them too, by the way, right? They manage my stocks, they manage my portfolios, and these brokers, they're always, diversifying the risk. So they're not putting all the eggs in one basket. So if they're buying Bitcoin, they're buying, some other asset also. So Dogecoin is positioned, in my opinion, the way it's designed, and we've covered, extensively the design of Dogecoin and what the use case is as well. So this is a perfect scenario. All right. So this is another great news regarding the cryptocurrency space moving forward, and of course, indirectly, definitely attracts Dogecoin or places Dogecoin to be at a very, very nice position. All right. So comments quick. Welcome, guys. John, thanks for tuning in. Wall Street Pickers, awesome, guys. Hello, Professor. So far, your predictions are spot on. Thanks for sharing. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so humbled. Every time I make some predictions, they turn to be true. Wow, that's crazy. No, I'm just kidding. But the reason why Wall Street Pickers is because we all, as a team, we work together. And of course, I put in a lot of effort in finding out tangible information, data that supports the price, right? Not just pure speculation. So thanks so much for your comment. I appreciate it. I'm humbled. And thanks for joining in. By the way, if you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button while you're at it and the bell notification. And of course, thank you so much, all of you guys, for your super chat and super stickers, for supporting InvestDesk as your number one channel, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency technical analysis, predictions, news, and forecasts. All right, Maz, welcome. Bayram, welcome. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. We're talking about how and will Dogecoin make you a millionaire? So all of this background sort of news I'm sharing with you, the ideas of institutional investors getting into cryptocurrency space. They're already offering or creating portfolios of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course Dogecoin is not far behind. PayPal, they're actively doing it. You can buy things and pay in Bitcoin or Ethereum using PayPal. I showed you that, right? All right, so let's talk about the next set of stuff. There's still lots and lots of stuff to come, guys. I've just, this is crazy. This is awesome. All right, so let me give you this. This is the state of Kentucky. I don't know. Kentucky's governor has signed 2 bills into law today. Now, these bills provide tax breaks to Bitcoin holders and crypto mining operations and other focused on clean energy use incentives. So what they have done, they have created a new section called the KRS 139, which defines various terms relating to commercial mining of cryptocurrency using blockchain technology, provides sales and use tax exemptions on the tangible personal property directly used and the electricity used in the commercial mining of cryptocurrency. As of the date of approved application, provides for a 4-year sunset from July 1st, 2021 to June 30, 2025, and requires the amount of exemption to be reported by the Department of Revenue beginning on Jan 1, 2022, and every January 1 thereafter. So, amend KRS 160.613 to exempt electricity used or consumed in the commercial mining of cryptocurrency. So, amend KRS 160.6131 to define commercial mining of cryptocurrency and colocation facility. This is just awesome news. This is just crazy. So think about it. Kentucky is basically saying, hey, come on over to Kentucky, start mining Dogecoin, start mining Bitcoin, start mining any crypto, and you don't have to pay for electricity or reduce rates, right? Awesome news. So, these states are actually now giving exemptions and giving benefits so that you can mine these coins, guys. And with Dogecoin, we know that right now it's unlimited supply. You can mine as many as you like. But with Bitcoin in 2040, just 20 years from now, 18 years from now, there will be no more Bitcoin to mine. Yes, it's a long time. 20 years is a long time. But 10 years have passed with Bitcoin, guys. It was 10 cents 10 years ago. It's $60,000 now. So you want to be a millionaire with Dogecoin? Yeah. You know where I'm going with this, right? All right, Sonic84. Thanks so much, buddy, for your super chat supporting the Invest Desk channel as your #1 channel. And I appreciate it. And SafeMoon AMA is on Twitch Live. Yes, AMA, I've been covering SafeMoon yesterday. I regularly hold their meetings, but since we're streaming about Dogecoin today, I may attend a little later once we're done with this. But thanks for bringing this up. SafeMoon is our other crypto, by the way, that I've added to this portfolio, and it's growing pretty nicely also, right? So we're in the money in both Dogecoin and SafeMoon moving forward. But thank you so much, Sonic84, for your support. I certainly appreciate your super chat, supporting Invest Desk as your channel. Awesome. Vampire Gaming, thank you so much for joining, by the way. Philip, YOLI, thanks so much. Lotus, Tio. If you're new to the channel, by the way, please consider subscribing, smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time. All right, so we're talking about the state of Kentucky, right? Governor signed 2 bills where if you want to, go mine crypto, set up your operations in Kentucky, and they will give you some, exemptions and electricity used or consumed in the commercial mining of cryptocurrency, guys, right? So not bad at all. Especially if you wanna go check out my stream on how to mine Dogecoin. By the way, I already have it. Please go see it. I've detailed out how to mine Dogecoin. What hardware do you need? What software do you need? All of that. So it's already there on this channel. But yeah, this is another breaking news for cryptocurrency space. So the whole idea, right? You're getting the points. You see where things are moving, right? In the industry, or within the US, for example, in particular, and of course the globe, the world is going to follow, and it's already there already, right? So this is another news that I want to cover regarding crypto space, and of course how it directly or indirectly relates to or impacts Dogecoin. All right, another piece of great news that I think is excellent is CoinFlip Dogecoin ATM. Get out of town. They changed their name. They're now calling themselves CoinFlip Dogecoin ATM. I don't know. This is crazy. CoinFlip. By the way, if you do not know CoinFlip, I did a full stream on CoinFlip ATM. They have over 1,800 locations in the United States, right? Within 46 states. And these ATM machines allow you to transact in Bitcoin and Dogecoin. And CEO of CoinFlip is also, or has already written a letter to Elon Musk requesting him to place these ATM machines in Tesla stores. This is happening, guys. This has already happened, right? This is some news that I covered 2 weeks ago. Go check it out. But CoinFlip is excited to announce that they have installed their first Bitcoin ATMs in Washington state. So they're growing. So if you're in Washington, stop by a CoinFlip ATM to buy Bitcoin. And of course, Dogecoin, because they have Dogecoin on their machines also, or one of our 8 other cryptocurrencies. Keep an eye out for more locations coming soon. This is awesome. This is great. So look at the adoption growing for Dogecoin, through ATM usage. And I've covered this, by the way, right? But this was another thing. It is interesting. CoinFlip Dogecoin ATM. Yeah, we're going to the moon, guys. All right, next news, of course, I already mentioned this. SpaceX is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. Elon Musk is still behind Dogecoin. Not bad, not bad. All right, let's check some comments here, see how we're doing. All right. Tex Rex, thanks so much, buddy, for joining. Dimos, if you're just tuning in, Impressionist, and White, if you're just joining in, by the way, please consider subscribing. Awesome to have you guys here on this channel. And of course, smash that like button and the bell notification so you get notified every single time there's something happening that is tangible enough so you can make informed decisions. All right. Next, I'm going to go to Reddit, of course, and all Dogecoin hodlers watching Dogecoin, this is for you. This is for you guys. If you're holding Dogecoin, this is for you. All right. We get the idea, right? We get the idea. Anyways, I wanted to share that on a lighter note. All right. So let's check out the Dogecoin price. Where is it at? It's at 0.058, which is not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. As long as it maintains the ceiling, because it was at 5.8, 5.7 a few days ago, last week, I believe. And of course, this was the big jump right this morning from 0.053, 0.0539 all the way up to 0.068, right? And of course the highest was, I think, 7.2. It almost touched it. But of course it's still seems like it is still going to correct itself, right? And that's normal. That's a normal pattern with stocks and cryptocurrencies. So if you've been in the crypto space for a while, you will know exactly how these patterns work with cryptocurrencies. So Dogecoin is, of course, the price is now again moving sideways, and I always want to see it, at 6 cents as the floor, but for some reason it just, stays a notch down. I don't know, right? But it's at 5.8, and if it maintains this floor, of course there'll be a next breakout, hopefully in the next few days, or maybe tomorrow or next week. We don't know, but that's how the pattern is for Dogecoin. because I've been following Dogecoin every single day for the last 35 days, right? A little over a month. And of course, we do our weekly analysis. We crunch some numbers. We run the numbers. So we check up on our profits. So definitely, this is super, super exciting. So Doge is at 0.058 at this point. All right. A couple of more things I want to quickly show you. This is Tesla, by the way. Wall Street Journal had this out article. Tesla, GameStop, Johnson & Johnson, Dogecoin. We can't forget Dogecoin. Doge, whatever it is, when we talk about Elon Musk, we talk about, large companies, we talk about happening things, popular. That's Dogecoin. What to watch when the market opens. So stock futures led by the technology sector point higher on Thursday to start the second quarter. Boom. This is the second quarter, right? We just started the second quarter, guys, and check it out. We're already started with a bang, and that's awesome, isn't it, right? So this is another thing I want to show you, that Dogecoin is not something to be taken lightly, guys. It's not a joke anymore. Even the developer, I did a developer interview where he mentions, that was in the transcript of the developer, where he mentioned that Dogecoin, even though it started as a meme coin, right? But it is now serious. Hey, go figure. That's how it is. All right. And of course, I still want to show you that our merch store is up. So congratulations, guys, all of you. And make sure you subscribe if you want to be in the giveaway. That's coming this Saturday, this weekend, when we crunch our numbers. When we see how much money we made, I'm going to do a giveaway. All right. So I've set up this merch store. Here it is. You see it right here. You can have, and here's the URL. I'll put this URL in the description. I don't think I have it in the description yet, but it's streamlabs.com investdesk/merch. But yeah, I'm going to pick any item, and we are going to do a free giveaway for you guys, because this is how this channel is again your channel. It's your channel, so you are the ones who are here, guys, and that's I'm humbled and I'm thankful for having you on this, and I have a great time, by the way, with you guys here. So this is our merch store. This is all the products that I've set up, and here's our Dogecoin logo on iPhone cover, on a bag, on a pair of socks, on a cap, on a bag, whatever it is, right? So, and of course, I also added some SafeMoon, by the way, too. Hey, check it out. This is our new addition to our portfolio here. So I added SafeMoon, a couple of things on SafeMoon too, but we'll do a giveaway, hopefully a mug. This is the Dogecoin mug. I'm going to do a giveaway on this right here. Awesome, right? It's not bad. So you may win this in the free giveaway. But make sure you're on this channel, because there's some loyalty points that you need to achieve before you're eligible, by the way, to enter into the giveaway. So I see a lot of you guys are already eligible, but those of you who are not, what you need to do is make sure you stay on the channel, make sure you comment. If you need additional loyalty points, then support this InvestDesk channel as a super chat or super sticker. So hey, these are the options. So this is the free giveaway. I'm going to set it up, and hopefully I'm going to run the giveaway this weekend. So super excited. I've been promising it for the last couple of weeks. So here it is. Boom. Now you see it. All right. So this is about Dogecoin that I want to mention, and this is what is happening here with Dogecoin, and what the price is, what the prediction is, and how you can become a millionaire, because the crypto space, like I always say, is a crazy world. So let me check up some comments here quick, see what's going on. Welcome, Leonardo. Welcome, Mara. Thank you so much. I want that phone case. Yeah, I'll maybe I'll do another giveaway. We're gonna do weekly giveaways anyways, right? So we'll continue on with giveaways. So if you want a phone case, yeah, you better be on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified. Leonardo, the 13th, this channel is super chill. Yeah, we're chill. We are the, what do you call ourselves? Doge coiners or whatever it is. Yeah, we're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. So hey, this channel is about Dogecoin, and of course the new addition is SafeMoon. All right. Welcome, Syed. Thanks, Nicey. I've been looking for Dogecoin shirts. Yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway, so hopefully a mug or a shirt. But this is a surprise once we actually do a giveaway. So make sure you stick around in this channel so you have those loyalty points. I'm gonna put these points in the description so you know exactly how to do it. All right. Welcome, Craig. Thanks, buddy, for joining. FEGEX launched on the FEG website. A massive spike happening today. Yes. Lots, tons and tons of new crypto coins are coming up, of course, but we do our due diligence, we do our research, and of course, you always should do your research as well, DYOR. Ripple settled for lawsuit, 1 billion XRP. Yes, SEC were behind Ripple, and they were going behind the CEO. They were talking to him, of course, and if they settled, that's excellent news. Hopefully, that's going to help, pave the way forward. Wall Street Pickers, yay, giveaway. Much wow, Professor. Yes, of course. These are for you guys. I mean, this channel is your channel, guys. So of course, why not? Why not? So I just set up the store. I should have done it last week, but of course, with all the things happening and my existing schedule with work and all, so hey, it's there. Now you see it. It's gonna happen. We are going to do a giveaway on Saturday. So mark your calendar, set some alerts. So this is big news, of course. Wall Street Journal news is huge news. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Institutional investors, Morgan Stanley, is Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and all these institutional investors. Big news. They're offering cryptocurrencies portfolios to their clients. So yeah, that's crazy. So Dogecoin is the way forward. All right. So here's a merch store. I wanted to show you that also. Let's go back to our CoinMarketCap and let's see where Dogecoin is. It's number 18. It used to be number 14. Now it's number 18 on the rank here. 0.58. Not bad. It's still the last 24 hours is 10% up. Last 7 days is 20% or almost 20.84% up. Not bad. And we'll see how it kind of goes over the weekend. So we still have Friday, tomorrow, and of course Saturday, and we do our analysis on Saturday. We run the Excel spreadsheet or crunch our numbers and see how much potential profits you could have made with Dogecoin just this week or last week and last month. So that's exactly what we do with Dogecoin and of course SafeMoon as well. Overall, of course, we also run the numbers and see. I know last month it was like $20,000 in profit already, but hopefully we'll see this week how this goes out. So not bad so far. We're doing pretty okay with our investments at InvestDesk, which is of course your number one channel for crypto investing. But check out Ethereum, guys. It's 1,981. Check this out, right? Remember, I made a video a couple of days ago about Ethereum. If you've not considered getting into Ethereum, I don't know, because Visa, the world's largest credit card company, settled their first transaction on the Ethereum blockchain, guys. I made a video. I put it up there. Go check it out. That was 2 days ago. And I bought Ethereum too, by the way. Oh, geez. I bought Bitcoin. I bought Ethereum a couple of days ago, right when the Visa announced. I don't know. Like I say, that was impulsive, all right? That was impulsive. I just bought it. But I'm up. The good thing is I'm up. That's not bad. Bitcoin 59 is actually touching 60, hopefully moving forward in this quarter, right? April, May, June, next 3 months are just going to go crazy. And Ethereum definitely, in my opinion, is going to cross 2,000 very soon. Maybe today, tomorrow, next week, for sure. That's how it's going to be. It's going to cross 2,000. Bitcoin is going to cross 60 for sure, in my opinion. Of course, Dogecoin is already, where is it? Where is our baby? Right here. Is at 5.8, and this is going to hopefully see another little bit of correction, but another spike in this next month or so. In this quarter, it's going to grow, right? So Dogecoin will make you a millionaire in the long run. I certainly see it happening. I'm holding on to Doge. I'm holding on to SafeMoon. These are the two cryptos for this particular channel. Of course, I have other bunch of other cryptos in the other portfolios that I day trade and actively trade. But for this purpose, for our channel here, I only have listed I added two cryptos on this channel so far. And of course, I'm also researching others. And as I add more, you'll be the first to know. So if you're joining in, please subscribe, smash that like button, and hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time there's something happening. All right, so let's pick up some quick comments before these are all the updates I have so far, I think. All right, welcome Führer Monk. Thanks so much for joining. JD, Kim, I see some new faces. Thanks so much. Please consider subscribing if you're on this channel. Smash the like button and the bell notification. I would appreciate it. Thanks so much. Doge will be out of top 30 in the few days. Yes, the way it's moving, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty good. A lot of potential for Dogecoin in the second quarter moving forward. Isn't there an infinite supply for Doge though? Pivot is asking. Yes, it's an inflationary design coin that the purpose is to keep the price stable, right? And that's the idea for Dogecoin. Please go check out my other videos. I talk about the deflationary design coins and inflationary design coin, and Dogecoin is inflationary, right? So yeah, go check that out. I've covered this already, but thanks for asking this question. Appreciate it. So with this, thank you guys. Thank you all for the awesome support, and for invest for this channel. If I only can type, there we go. And of course, thanks again, Sonic, for your super chat supporting InvestDesk as your #1 channel. I appreciate it. Last couple of questions. Jim Pop, how much Doge do you need to get rich? If Doge goes to $1, guys, I think everyone is going to be rich, right? If it goes to $5, $10, we're talking millionaires, right? But yeah, it just depends on your own investment, Jim. What you've actually invested in Dogecoin, depending on your own portfolio size, your own strategy, and of course your own budgets, right? What price is interesting for now? Should we go for Doge today itself? I always buy in my personal strategy, by the way. This is Nicholas asking in a comment question. My personal strategy, and you guys know already, right? So if you're already a subscriber, you know exactly. Whenever there's a dip, I buy, right? For the most part, almost 90% of the time, I buy the dips. What this does is keeps my dollar average cost buying low, right? So my buying cost remains low on average, because, think about it. At the end of the day, it's the average. We're not talking one day, right? We're talking, either a quarter, month, 6 months, year, and beyond. That's how, investing works. So definitely buy the dips. It's a simple strategy, but it overall, after a month, you will see, and when we run the analysis over the weekend, guys, I'll show you on the Excel spreadsheet. When I crunch the numbers, you will exactly see what I mean by buying the dips, because your average cost will remain low. What percentage drop do you consider a dip? Well, let's check it out. Let's see if just Dogecoin right here. This is our Dogecoin, right? So it's 10% in 24 hours. So it was, 10% in 24 hours. It went up to 6 cents. It's coming back to 5.8, right? So not as much as dip as we would like it to be, but still, it was at a dip yesterday, right? So had you bought yesterday, it was you would have been up 11%, 11%, and 20% in the last week. So 20% return on a portfolio, on one stock, on one crypto, is just crazy. And the reason why I say this, guys, because if you go to Fidelity, if you go to Charles Schwab, if you go to Morgan Stanley, if you go to any of these institutions and say, hey, I want to invest, right? I have, $10,000, I have $100,000 to invest in stocks. They will give you a yearly return of anywhere from 6% to maybe tops 11, 12%. I don't know, something like this, right? A yearly return. And this right here with Dogecoin, you see, it's a 20% return in just this last week. And Not to mention, I say that again, we are going to run our numbers on Saturday, and you're going to see that Dogecoin is giving you at least a 40 to 50% return on a monthly basis. So if you invest 10,000, you make 5,000 a month on top of that investment, and multiply that, go all the way to 1 year. Just expand this profitability into 1 year. Guess what? That's 3x, 2x your investments. So definitely, it's a numbers game. Like I say, cryptocurrency is a crazy world, guys, right? But that's how it is. That's how it is. All right. So that's all I have, guys. I know Sonic mentioned earlier there's also a SafeMoon AMA. I may have missed it, but we can check it out right here before I end and see if it's still going on. So I'm going to go ahead and see if we're able to do it. I may not be logged in, but I'll cover it later on and see how this kind of works. But let's see if we can find it. This is SafeMoon protocol, because SafeMoon already is part of our analysis anyways, right? Part of our crypto. All right, so I'll cover it tomorrow maybe. I'll check up the stream of SafeMoon, because SafeMoon is also part of our portfolio. And let me bring up the price, and these are some tech charts. I'll maybe cover it tomorrow. Here is CoinMarketCap. Before we end the stream, definitely we want to see the price for SafeMoon, because SafeMoon is part of our portfolio, guys, on InvestDesk. So hey, we're following it. So it's a 3-1, not bad at all, not bad. And those of you who are just joining now, by the way, who just joining this channel, you know that I bought SafeMoon. I added SafeMoon to the InvestDesk portfolio last week when the price was 1-1, not 3-1, it was 1-1. So it's double, triple the investment already. And I demonstrated step by step, hands-on. I also put up a tutorial, hands-on tutorial, how to buy SafeMoon. So SafeMoon is at 31, not bad at all. Let's scroll down, check up the chart. This is the chart for 1 day, about a week, and a month. So not bad at all for SafeMoon. Still sort of like correcting, and of course there's some pumping and dumping going on because of these whales, and that's normal. But as long as it's holding, it's going pretty fast. SafeMoon is growing very fast, by the way, right? And let me go ahead and also show you SafeMoon.net is the site, and these developers, the team behind SafeMoon, they meet regularly, twice or thrice a week, and I cover that, by the way. Also, so we can ask them questions and see what's going on, what the new changes are, what the new roadmap is. So pretty active team, not bad at all. And that's exactly what it is. So these are the reasons why I decided to add SafeMoon to this particular InvestDesk portfolio. And so far, it's doing pretty well. It's 5x, 10x returns, guys. Not bad at all. Definitely a good project to get into. But this is SafeMoon. This is a chart. There's a huge spike, and of course some whales sold, and then of course it's back up to 3-1. So yeah, there's some buying and selling going on, and we're following closely who these whales are and how many of these are and what's going on. So they're slowly taking the profits, right? Which is understandable, not bad. Anyway, so that's all I have. Let's go back to our, of course, Dogecoin. It's at 0.058, because today's video is about Dogecoin and how Dogecoin will make you a millionaire. So hopefully all of these things that I've shared today, they make sense to you guys. Think about them in the long-term scenario, guys, because this is tangible, solid data, solid information. All these people are actually behind it. So with that, thank you so much for being on this channel. Let me first see, did I miss anything? I want to make sure I do not miss a single. What did I miss? Did I have, or did I cover? This big thing I missed. I there it is. Before I go, guys, the big O Max. Check it out. This is even, I guess, the largest news I forgot to mention. This is it. Big O Max is a crypto exchange out in Singapore. They are now offering Dogecoin on their exchange, on their options. So Dogecoin is something that they just added. It's a new product, new way of trading. Stay tuned. BigOmax, BTC, cryptocurrency trade, DeFi, blockchain options, add Dogecoin. So this is crazy. This is crazy. Yes. So, Asian countries, guys, Asian countries like in Singapore or other countries, Hong Kong, or this is, and that's what they're doing. They're now putting up Dogecoin on their exchanges, which means, of course, more people are going to buy, which means the price is going to go up. More, not only more adoption, but check it out. There's always Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. I kind of like this, guys. This is a pattern for the whole month. If you take a look at every single day I've streamed, and whenever I talk about Bitcoin, whenever I see Bitcoin anywhere, in an article, in any news, it's always Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. That's like the three musketeers. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But this is one of the big news. So let me know what you think about this. This is an exchange, by the way, that is actually happening. And Dogecoin is on that exchange. How awesome is that? So welcome, guys. If you're just joining in, by the way, please consider subscribing. Smash that like button while you're at it. And of course, the bell notification so you get notified every single time. There's some awesome news, updates, forecasts, predictions, technical analysis about Dogecoin and SafeMoon, because these are the two portfolios that I've added. I also talk about other coins that I feel have a lot of potential and value, and I put videos for them. But Dogecoin, I am the future. Yes, you are. Thanks for that comment. Appreciate it. M White super asset. Yes, great. Demos, awesome. Go Sparta. Doge has unlimited supply and no fundamentals. Well, there's an argument there. So yeah, of course, that's fine. That's fine. I'll take it. Not bad. Good luck to Doge investors. I can't invest in that trash. Not a problem at all, Nathan. Not a problem. It's your choice. Wherever you want to invest, you're free to go. That's absolutely what we're looking at and what we're talking about. But now this is, of course, the Doge party. This is the Doge army, guys. All right. So Bruce Lee, hi, thanks. We find SafeMoon at? Where can we find SafeMoon at? The Forbes is asking in the comment. You can go to safemoon.net, which is right here. This is safemoon.net, and you can buy now. There's simple steps on how to buy. Click on how to buy, and you'll be navigated to this screen. Just simple 6 steps to buy SafeMoon. There's a chart. You can take a look at the price, and of course, do your own research. I've added this SafeMoon to our portfolio here at Dogecoin, right? So awesome, guys. This is just great to have all of you here on this channel. And let's go back to our Dogecoin. There it is, 0.5872. It's 10% up since this morning, and hopefully it's going to continue to rise as time progresses next week. And that's what we're hoping to see. So you're welcome, Forbes. And thank you guys, by the way, for being on this channel. I appreciate your support. If you're new, please subscribe, smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time there's some exciting news and updates or tangible updates. I try to provide, I do my research, and of course, so you guys can make informed decisions in whatever you want to invest in, because we're doing pretty awesome as far as InvestDesk portfolio is concerned with these two cryptos so far in this channel. I'm very selective, by the way. I don't just go around and just go happy, but hey, that's how we invest. We invest smartly, and by doing some research. There has to be some, a dev team, some kind of tangible data information behind a crypto before I even decide to even look at it, right? So otherwise, there's just so many of them out there. But some are very good, some are not. But that's how it is. That's the game. That's the name of the game, guys. That's the name of the game, right? So Dogecoin was our choice, is our choice for long term. And of course, SafeMoon is our choice for awesome gains, right? So SafeMoon is huge gains, 3x, 5x, 10x, even 100x, right? Because I showed you Last week I bought at 11 and now it's at 31. So not bad, right? All right, so that's Dogecoin. Let me know in comments what you think about Dogecoin moving next week. I definitely see it as touching the 6-cent floor and maintaining this floor and moving beyond to 10 cents, because the next step is 10 cents and breaking that barrier. Now, whether it's going to happen this quarter, next week, next couple of weeks, or next 3 months, we don't know, but that's how things are progressing. The good thing, one thing is for sure, guys, one thing for sure, the key takeaway always, that no matter what, as time is progressing, crypto space is growing. And as crypto space is growing, right, cryptocurrencies are being adopted, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Ethereum, whether it's Dogecoin, everything is growing. So a bullish year for crypto space, not just this year, but hopefully next year. So in 2 years, in a year or two, I'd like to see all of you guys become millionaires right here. And we're going to make history. I'm going to play this video. I'm going to play this stream with you guys on once in a year or so. You guys become millionaire, right? And then you look back and you'll say, oh, geez, Syed, we were on here and we were at, Dogecoin is at 0.058 and look at this, we're at, whatever it is. So, hey, I know. Just hang tight, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining. And thanks for supporting InvestDesk as your #1 channel. I certainly appreciate it. And of course, as we grow, I may be adding more cryptos to this portfolio. But again, I'm very selective. I want to make sure that I do my homework, I do my research, and I bring the research on the table for you guys here on this channel. So thanks for supporting, and thanks for supporting your own channel, InvestDesk, as your #1 channel through Super Chat and Super Stickers. I'm going to be doing a giveaway, by the way. I showed you that already over the weekend. That's going to be a free giveaway. So make sure you're tuned in on Saturday afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to put a link in the description. I'm going to put a community post also. And that's hopefully going to be coming as we move forward. But let me see if I missed anything out or not. I covered pretty much everything that will make you a Dogecoin millionaire in the future. So I talked about the PayPal crypto space, talked about, of course, a couple of other news like Morgan Stanley, institutional investors. I'm just summarizing quickly, right? So if you're new, you would know exactly what we just talked about so far. We talked about Goldman Sachs offering cryptos to their institutional investors, or to their clients rather. That's awesome. And of course, Dogecoin will follow suit inevitably. It'll happen. And here's the news from the governor of Kentucky, who's giving you an exemption of electricity if you want to mine cryptocurrency. So if you're into Dogecoin mining or Bitcoin mining or any other crypto mining, go register a company in Kentucky and start mining, guys. The state of Kentucky is giving you free electricity exemption. Not bad, or whatever it is. This is the law that they just signed and passed a bill, right? Awesome. So we talked about that. And then we also talked about CoinFlip ATM. It's not called CoinFlip ATM anymore. It's now called CoinFlip Dogecoin ATM. Over 1,800 ATMs in 46 states in the United States. Go check it out. I'm sure you'll find it near you if you are in the US. And Elon Musk tweet this morning just kind of shook up the second quarter, moving in second quarter. Moving forward is awesome start for all crypto, especially Ethereum, Bitcoin, and of course Dogecoin also. Here's the Reddit group. I played some music for you guys already. Awesome. Here's some ideas. I want to quickly share the charts while I have it. This is the Dogecoin analysis, by the way. Dogecoin is about to moon. Yes, it is. That's what we would like it to see, because right now the price is at 0.058 or 0.06, right? So that's the price. And according to this particular analysis, this is still a buy zone, because the next jump is going to be to 10 cents or even higher, even $1. I don't know. This chart is crazy. This chart is showing what, 9 cents, then 15, 25 a quarter, 50 cents, and of course $1, right? So that's the next jump up based on this analysis. So this is just an idea by looking at the widening wedge on the log scale. It seems that the range phase out is about to end, then a new bull wave will explode up to the 0.9 level and then around $3 to $4. It may be too optimistic, but in the crypto world, nothing is taken for granted. Let's see if the price breaks the upper bound. So $3 to $4, I don't know. That's going to be crazy, crazy, crazy stuff, right? So you don't have to wait a year to become a millionaire, guys. You'll be a millionaire if the price goes to $4, right? Most of you guys, depending on how much you're holding, of course, and how much you own Dogecoin. But this chart I want to show you because I don't want to miss it while I have it. All right, another one. I want more. Geez, I wanted to end the stream, but this is just super, super exciting. I want to make sure I cover everything. But yeah, this is another chart that is by trading signal for Doge also. And here the trading signal is seen in the Doge USD. Traders can open their buy trades now, right? So this is, of course, the price moving sideways, which it was for the last 2 weeks. And of course, now it's breaking out to 0.069 or 0.07 support level, right? So right now it's 0.058. It's trying to find its support. And if it continues to increase, continues to the next bump, it'll be 8 or 10 cents and then beyond, right? So this will be super exciting to see the patterns being developed and of course this particular analysis. So it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome, not bad. And our own technical analysis, by the way. Remember our squeeze momentum indicator and our MACD and our EMA averages that we show, that I show, not today, but I demonstrate this in the other videos. Also help us understand where Doge is going with all of this data, information, and technical analysis as well. So not just pure speculation, not just pure support by Elon Musk or other celebrities, but definitely technical fundamental analysis of stock market or finance and data itself, right? The market capitalization, the news, the market conditions, such as Dogecoin is now on a new exchange in Singapore, right? In their options trading area. And of course, crypto space is growing itself. So all of these factors will come into play when we think about Doge as well. All right, let me check some quick comments here, guys. Thanks for tuning in. By the way, if you're just new, please consider subscribing, smash that like button, and of course, the bell notification so you get notified every single time InvestDesk brings you some great news. All right, so Conrad, welcome. Thanks. I see some new faces. New Marv, thanks for joining in. Demos, by the way. Binti, you guys are all new. If you're new, by the way, awesome, guys. Nice to have you guys. Thank you so much for being on InvestDesk, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, forecasts, and updates. And make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification. All right, so we're talking about Dogecoin, how Dogecoin will make you a millionaire, hopefully soon. That's the idea. That's the prediction. That's what we're talking about. And not just predicting, not just out of the blue, right? I've showed you, I've demonstrated many tangible, evidences that actually is going to help Doge go to the next level. Because for the last 2 weeks, we were all thinking, geez, Doge is just going down. It's just, not going anywhere. And, it's just stuck at a certain price. Well, that's called price consolidation, guys. And it can go on and on. But it could have broken down or upward. Now, of course, Dogecoin is going up, right? So that's awesome. So the timing of the market is also very important. Very, very important, right? So as we move forward. So we're talking about Dogecoin. Let me see if I missed anything. I think I covered pretty much all of it for today's episode. I also covered the Wall Street Journal, by the way, article. This is by the way, pretty awesome, by the way, right? So go check it out. Just check it out. Tesla, GameStop, Johnson & Johnson, Dogecoin. What to watch when the market opens. Q2 opened. It was awesome. And of course, our SafeMoon is here. This is also our portfolio. And SafeMoon is at 0.032. So it's on the rise. One more time, guys. Not bad. It touched 4750. That's almost like, I don't know, 10x gains or 50x, 100x. I don't know, just crazy, crazy, crazy stuff. All right. So this is our second crypto in this portfolio that I'm managing at InvestDesk, which is your channel for cryptocurrency investing. All right, so that's all I had for today's show, for today's episode. I hope you guys got some great information, tangible information from this show. Thank you so much for joining, and make sure you subscribe, guys. Thank you for the support. So if you're new, be sure to subscribe and smash the like button before you go. Appreciate that. And of course the bell notification, so you get notified every single time I come up with a new video, which is every day. We stream every day, and of course a couple of times a day. I streamed this morning, by the way, when the price broke, and that was kind of awesome, which was pretty nice. So thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna end at this point in time. Let me know if there's something you want me to cover additionally. Put them in the comments, and with this I will see you guys tomorrow. But before I go, hang on. Wait. There I am. Yes, perfect. All right. So Saturday, we run our numbers. We see how much money we made last week based on our two cryptos that we have in our portfolio, Dogecoin and SafeMoon. And more importantly, I'm going to do a free giveaway, hopefully a Dogecoin mug on the merch store that I showed you. So make sure you stick around on Saturday afternoon, which is Eastern, right? So I'm in the Eastern time zone, so make sure you set the alert. So we covered Dogecoin, how it's going to make you a millionaire. I gave you lots and lots of tangible data information backing this up so that you can make informed decisions. So I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for joining in. Appreciate it. Thanks for your support. Thanks for the super chat, super stickers, and all of what you do for InvestDesk. And I'm super humbled and grateful to have you on this with me. And we as a team are going to go together. We are going to grow and become millionaires. If you aren't already, right? If you aren't already, but if you are not, definitely the way forward is crypto space. Highly volatile. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do my own research. And of course, we're $20,000 up in our portfolio so far. And we are going to continue moving forward. And we'll see how we can grow this particular portfolio to $1 million portfolio. So stick around, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button and the bell notification. And with this, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much. Have yourself a good day, good evening, wherever you are in the world, and take care. We'll see you tomorrow.